What if one holiday could bring together faith, culture, history, and pure joy? Around the world, millions gather each year to celebrate traditions passed down for centuries. Today, we take you inside one of the world's most amazing holidays, a celebration filled with color, emotion, and deep meaning. Stay with us, because this is more than a holiday, it's an unforgettable human experience. This holiday is not just a day on the calendar. It represents identity, unity, and belief. Families travel long distances. Streets come alive. Songs, dances, and rituals fill the air. For some, it's a spiritual moment. For others, it's a cultural celebration. But for everyone, it's a time of togetherness. This holiday began hundreds, sometimes thousands, of years ago. It was born from ancient traditions, shaped by history, and preserved by generations. Despite changes in the modern world, the heart of this holiday remains the same. It reminds people where they come from, and what truly matters. Days before the celebration, the excitement begins. Homes are cleaned. Special clothes are prepared. Traditional foods are cooked with love and care. Markets become crowded. There is laughter, anticipation, and a sense that something special is about to happen. As the sun rises, the holiday officially begins. People gather early, dressed in traditional outfits. Music fills the streets. Prayers, ceremonies, or performances mark the opening moments. You can feel the energy, powerful, emotional, and joyful. This is where the holiday truly comes alive. Traditional dances tell ancient stories. Songs are sung in languages passed down through generations. Each movement, each sound, has meaning. This is culture not written in books, but lived. No great holiday is complete without food. Families and neighbors gather to share meals prepared especially for this day. Food is more than nourishment, it's a symbol of love and hospitality. Strangers become friends. Everyone is welcome at the table. No great holiday is complete without food. Families and neighbors gather to share meals prepared especially for this day. Food is more than nourishment, it's a symbol of love and hospitality. Strangers become friends. Everyone is welcome at the table. No great holiday is complete without food. Families and neighbors gather to share meals prepared especially for this day. Food is more than nourishment, it's a symbol of love and hospitality. Strangers become friends. Everyone is welcome at the table. What makes this holiday truly amazing isn't just the colors or celebrations. It's the feeling. The way people connect. The pride and tradition. The joy of being together, young and old, rich and poor. For a moment, the world feels united. This holiday teaches us something powerful, that joy is better when shared. That tradition gives us roots. And that celebrating together makes us human. It's not just something to watch, it's something to feel. As the day comes to an end, the memories remain. Smiles. Songs. Togetherness. This is why it's called one of the world's most amazing holidays. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Tell us in the comments, what holiday from your culture should the world see next? Thank you for watching.